What if your next heart transplant didn't come from a donor, but from a printer? Yep, like printing homework, but squishier. Right now, more than 100,000 people in the US alone are waiting for a life-saving organ transplant, according to the Health Resources and Services Administration. And globally, millions. We simply don't have enough donors. Enter 3D bioprinting, a technology that lets scientists print living tissues using something called Bioink. Think of Bioink as a mix of living cells and supportive goo that behaves like frosting, but instead of cupcakes, you're printing kidneys.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Bioprinters work like regular 3D printers. They build structures layer by microscopic layer. A 2014 paper in Nature Biotechnology by Murphy and Atala describes how bioinks can be shaped into precise architectures, blood vessels, cartilage, even mini organs. Once printed, the cells fuse together and begin behaving like real tissue. The crazy part? Scientists can use a patient's own cells, which means zero risk of rejection. But there's a catch. Organs need blood vessels to stay alive. Printing a heart is one thing. Printing functional, tiny, branching blood vessels? That's the boss level. A 2021 review in Nature Reviews Materials shows this is still one of the hardest problems. Still, breakthroughs are happening. In 2019, researchers at Tel Aviv University printed a small human heart, complete with blood vessel structures, and it actually beat on its own, according to advanced science. In 2022, scientists at the University of Washington 3D printed tiny lung air sacs that mimic real breathing movement. This was published in Nature Communications, and it opens doors for lung disease research. Companies like Organovo have printed functional liver tissue patches. A 2020 paper in Nature Materials reported liver tissues that could filter toxins, one of the liver's most important jobs. We're already seeing printed skin, cartilage, and corneal tissue progress toward clinical use. Many experts, including those cited in Science in 2020, predict widespread partial organ applications within the next decade. But printing full, transplant-ready organs like hearts, kidneys, or lungs, that's still in the advanced research stage. We need better vascular networks, better long-term survival, and better integration with the body. Still, the potential is enormous. No donor shortages, no rejection, organs made to order. Imagine walking into a hospital and your new kidney is literally printed while you wait, like a very high-stakes latte. From lab-grown tissues to beating printed hearts, we're entering a new era of regenerative medicine, one where biology and engineering merge to save millions of lives. So, would you trust a 3D printed organ inside your body? Tell me in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.